Hello, dear children. We know you have traveled a long and difficult journey. We know you are far from your home, family, and friends. You may be wondering where you are now and what will happen next. You are in Croatia. Here you can find safety, protection, support, and help. We want you to feel welcome. We want you to know that you are surrounded by people who care about you. Welcome to Croatia. Croatia is located in southern Europe, next to the beautiful Adriatic Sea with more than 1,000 islands. We also have mountains and rivers. Our neighboring countries are Slovenia, Hungary, Serbia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Montenegro, and Italy across the sea. Croatia has good transportation connections that link different parts of the country and connect Croatia to Europe. Croatia is part of the European Union. About 3.8 million people live in Croatia. Besides Croats, people of different nationalities live here too. Together they build a multicultural community. The official language is Croatian. Croats are warm and welcoming, and family is very important. Institutions in Croatia care for all children, including children on the move. The food is delicious and varied. Most people are Christians, but people of other faiths also live in Croatia, like Muslims and Jews. Everyone lives together in peace. Sport is very important, especially football, basketball, handball, and water polo. Here are some basic Croatian words. Bok, hello. Kako si, how are you? Zovem se, my name is. Hvala, thank you. Molim, you're welcome. Here every child has the right and opportunity to go to school, no matter where they come from. Education is free, and the state makes sure all children have access to quality learning. This helps every child do what they want to do when they grow up. Here in Croatia, every child is important. This means we care about you and your safety. There are people who can and want to protect you. These are people whose job is to help you. We want every child to grow, develop, learn, and play freely and safely. We want this for you too. It is also important for us to hear what you think and what you want for yourself, your life, and your family. You are now in a place that cares for children. Other children live here too. These children also cannot live with their families right now for different reasons. Caregivers and other adults take care of them just like they take care of you. You can go to these adults if you need information, want to talk, or need help. They work to keep you safe, care for your well-being, and help you feel welcome. Caregivers are with you every day. They help you with your daily activities and organize games and fun times together. Guardians help you with your papers and documents. They help find your family or bring you back together. They make sure you get your rights here. Psychologists, you can talk to them about anything that worries you, scares you, or makes you sad. They listen to you and help you feel better. Here you will get everything you need: accommodation and food. You have a comfortable place to sleep and delicious, warm meals every day. Healthcare. Doctors and nurses take care of your health. If you do not feel well, just tell the adults. Education. You can go to school. Education is important so you can become what you want to be when you are older. We will help you with this. Free time. We organize sports activities, creative workshops, and trips. You can play, learn, and spend time with other children your age. Legal help. If you have questions about your rights or need help with documents, international protection, or reuniting with your family members, there are people who will help you. There are also different important phone numbers you can call if you need help. 112, single number for all emergency services. This number works in all of Europe. You can call this number if you need help because you are hurt, sick, in danger, or have had an accident. both in Croatia and in other European countries. 116000, Center for Missing and Exploited Children. This number also works for all of Europe. You can call this number if a child you know is missing or you have information about a missing child. Scan the QR code for the Center website. Brave Phone Children's Line. Here you can always talk to someone when things are hard, you are sad, lonely, or simply need to talk. Scan the QR code to use the multilingual Brave Phone chat. We hope this video has given you important information. If you have questions or want to know more about where you are and what you can get and achieve in Croatia, feel free to ask caregivers and other adults around you. Welcome to Croatia.